What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning, hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Space ID and the ID token. Wanted to do a quick video on that after the immense and parabolic rally we had. I mean, it on the 4-hour time frame it still looks like a little bit of a smaller rally. It definitely wasn't. I mean, on the 1-hour time frame you can see it practically started the Wednesday, so 2 days ago. But you can see that from that bottom we went up a total of, at the top we reached at around 75 cents, major psychological level, and we went up 70%. And right now you can see that we're experiencing some bearish momentum, some bearish pressure. And I just wanted to make a video, first of all, on the reasons for a move like this. But apart from that also, can you expect it to go up even higher, and just what to expect in general. So that's what we'll do in this video. First of all, I mean, if we take a look, obviously one of the biggest reasons for a move like this is the market. The market right now, Ethereum is very, very strong. Most altcoins tend to correlate quite a bit with Ethereum, and Bitcoin is very strong as well, but both are finding resistance. And Space ID itself, I mean, you can already see it on the chart. In my eyes, it's manipulated. In a matter of 5 minutes, first of all, during the night, we went up in volume by more than 20 million. And then again, in a matter of 5 minutes, another 20 million was added, which at that point of time was about 10% of the daily volume in 10 minutes. All right, that's manipulation. And if you then take a look at volume sources, you can also see that a lot of volume coming from Gate.io and Hotcoin Global usually suggests and usually indicates some sort of manipulation going on. Apart from that, I mean, Space ID, you can like the project. I have said that the market cap is a bit undervalued right now, even the project, but still this is manipulation, I think. All right, so if we then take a look at the technicals, because in crypto, manipulation not always it means that we're going to crash down. But if you take a look at the technicals right now, the main, as I said, we found resistance at around 75 cents, which is a strong technical level, but even stronger a psychological resistance level. And now you have this level right here where you got the 1.618. If you can see it, these blue lines are kind of covered. Let me do this. Right here, you got that support level around 68 cents and ultimately 67, 68. That's our last support. That's the last support we can hold. Or we would have to hold if we want to stay bullish. I mean, right now, this is kind of, you can also see that we're not even respecting the 236 FIB that much. But the thing is that if we can stay on top of this, on top of 67 cents ultimately, and we can actually hold that for like a day or two, then I think we can also still break above 75 cents and continue going up towards 80 and 85 cents. With the next major resistance level, believe it or not, being at 90 cents. Is this a possibility? Yes, but I do not think it's the most likely scenario. Even if we stay on top of 67 cents with this candle, which is quite likely, I think we'll just find some support and then we'll drop down below that. Then you got the 382 FIB, we'll find some support there, but only to take a break retest off of the previously broken support around 67, and we'll continue dropping down towards 58 and 60 cents. I think that's the most likely scenario. And then at 58 cents, that's a major resistance level, or a major support level, excuse me. So from there we'll see again. But as I said, currently Space ID looks very much manipulated, and everybody that manipulates a crypto, you should keep that in mind, always wants to make a profit. So that's my take on Space ID for now. If you do have any questions, then as always, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.